Auzubillahiminash-shaytanir-rajim. Bismillahir-rahmanir-rahim. In this video lecture, we will discuss some basic algebraic terminologies. The first one is algebraic expression. What is algebraic expression? An algebraic expression is a statement that connects variable and constant by the help of algebraic operations, mean that by the help of addition, subtraction, multiplication and addition and division. For example, 3x square minus 4x plus 5 is an algebraic expression which consists of three terms. The first term is 3x, the second term is minus 4x, and the third term is 5. Similarly, 4x cube y plus xy minus 7x plus 8 is an algebraic expression and consists of four terms. The first term is 4x to the power 3y, the second term is xy, the third term is minus 7x, and the fourth term is 8. In this algebraic expression, the term xy consists of two factors. The first factor is y and the second factor is x. Similarly, the term 4x to the power 3y consists of three factors. The first factor is 4, the second factor is x to the power 3, and the third factor is y. Similarly, minus 7x consists of two factors. The first factor is minus 7 and the second factor is 8, and the term 8 consists of only one factor. Next, we will discuss polynomial. What is polynomial? The algebraic expression in which the power of the variables are whole number or whole numbers is called polynomial. For example, 8x plus 3. 8x plus 3 is a polynomial because the power of the variable 1 which belong to whole number. We know that whole number start from 0, and we denote whole number from w and start from 0, 1, 2 and so on. Similarly, 6x square minus 3x minus 4 is a polynomial because the power of the variable 1 and 2 which belong to whole number. 5 is also a polynomial because we can write here x to the power 0, and we know that x to the power 0 which is equal to 1, and when we multiply 1 to any number, so the number does not change. For example, 5 times 1 which is equal to 5. So 5 is a polynomial because the power of the variable in this case is 0 which belong to whole number. And 5x to the power minus 2 plus 6x minus 7 is not a polynomial because the power of the variable x which is equal to minus 2 which does not belong to whole number. Similarly, 2 over 5xy which is not a polynomial, and x and square root of x is also not a polynomial because the power in this case is 1 over 2. Next, we will discuss types of polynomial. The first one is monomial. What is monomial? A polynomial consisting of only one term. For example, 5x which consists of one term, 3xy which consists of one term, and x and 8x to the power 3 yz to the power 2 is also a monomial because it consists of only one term. The next one is binomial. What is binomial? a polynomial consisting of two terms. For example, x plus y, which consists of two terms. The first term is x and the second term is y. Similarly, 2x square minus 3x is a polynomial because it consists of two terms. The first term is x to 2x to the power 2 and the second term is 3x. Similarly, 3x to the power 3, y, z to the power 2 and 3xy is a polynomial because it consists of two terms. The first term is 3x to the power 2x to the power 3, y, z to the power 2 and the second term which is equal to 3xy. The next one is trinomial. What is trinomial? A polynomial consisting of three terms. For example, 2x to the power 3, y, z to the power 2 plus 3xy minus 5, which consists of three terms. The first term is this one, the second one is this one and the third one is minus 5. Similarly, x plus y plus z is also a trinomial because it consists of three factors. The first factor is x, the second factor is y and the last or the third factor is z. Next we will discuss degree of polynomial. The greatest or the highest degree among all the degrees of all the terms in the polynomial is called the degree of polynomial. For example, 5x to the power 3, y to the power 2 minus 3x to the power 2y plus 6. Here the degree of polynomial is 5 because x and y are in the form of multiplication, so we add the power, so 2 and 3 which is equal to 5. So the degree in this case is 5. In this expression, algebraic expression, the degree of polynomial is the highest degree of the polynomial is 3 because 1, 1 and 1 which is equal to 3. In the last expression, 3x square plus y minus 8, the highest degree in this case is 2. So the degree in this expression is 2. Next we will discuss polynomial of various degrees. The first one is linear. A polynomial of degree 1 is called linear. For example, 7x plus 8y plus 9 is a linear because the power of the variable is 1, and 3x minus y is also a linear because the power of the variable is 1. The next one is quadratic. A polynomial of degree 2 is called quadratic. For example, 5x to the power 2 plus 6 minus 6 which is a quadratic polynomial because the highest degree in this expression is 2. And y square plus 4 which is also a quadratic polynomial because the highest power in this case is 2. Next we will discuss coefficient, constant, variable, expression, terms and equation. Here 5x to the power 3y minus 2x plus 8 is equal to 3x square plus y. So this is an equation which consists of two algebraic expressions. The first one from here to here and the second algebraic expression from here to here. Mean that 3x square plus y is an algebraic expression and 5x to the power 3y minus 2x plus 8 is also an algebraic expression, and the total is an equation. And this expression 5x to the power 3y is a term, and this one is also a term, 8 is also a term, 3x to the power 2 is also a term, y is also a term, and 5x to the power 3y, 5 is coefficient. X is a variable, y is also a variable, and 3 as the degree or the exponent or the index of the variable, and 8 and the term 8 is constant. In this case 3 is coefficient, x is a variable, 2 is the power or the index or the degree. Next we will discuss rational expression. What is rational expression? An algebraic expression of the form of phi of x over q of x, where phi of x and q of x are polynomial and q of x is not equal to 0 is called rational expression. For example, x square plus 3x minus 4 whole divided by x minus 5. So this one is a rational expression, and the denominator x minus 5 which is not equal to 0. Next we will discuss like term or similar term. Like term or similar term, the terms having same power and variables is called like term. For example, 3x square, x square and 50x square. In this case all the terms are similar because all the cases power and variable are same, and we does not see the coefficient but we see power and variable, so all these terms are like term. In this case xy to the power 2z, and here also the variable xy to the power 2 and z, so these two terms are also like term.